Hi there everyone. This is the first video that I'm doing that is giving you some extra material for if you're interested in doing scholarship at the end of year 13, or for some of you the end of year 12. And the idea is just to cover up a few of the gaps that are left because of standards that we leave out. So in this topic we're doing coordinate geometry, and I'll just bring into screen here the OneNote. And so you'll see up here there's a tab coordinate geometry, and what I'd like you to do is go through each of these examples, and you'll see at the end of each page is the work that I'd like you to do along with the answers, and that way we just get through all the material that's left out because of the nature of the course, and it makes you far better prepared for when you get to scholarship. So the first thing that we're looking at is the midpoint of a line segment. And so if we've got a line segment that's between 2 points like that, the midpoint quite obviously is that point in the middle. And we have this formula here that lets us calculate it. So if we add the coordinates at each end together, divide them by 2, then that gives us the average coordinates. So in this example, I'm going to show it two ways. First of all, I'll show it on a set of axes. So -2, 3, that would be that point there, and 5, 1 would be that point there. And if we were connecting that with a line segment, that's a pretty bad example, but let's try that again. Okay, then halfway is going to be about there, and in fact if we counted the squares we could see very clearly that that's at 1.5 or 1.5 and 2. So that's just doing it visually, and obviously that's not how you'd do it most of the time. We would do it well, not even algebraically, just numerically, and so we would just simply write the two x coordinates, which are -2 and 5, and then divide them by 2, and the two y coordinates, which are 3 and 1, so 3 plus 1, and divide them by 2. So that gives us 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5, and 4 divided by 2, which is 4, and so that gives us the midpoint. Okay, so there's some questions I'd like you to practice here, and it gets pretty abstract pretty quickly, but that should be fine for you guys, and then you can just check your answers over here.